Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here. Today we're actually going to go over the BMW X6 Outrageous Super Dub floaters. I can't wait until we go over all the custom features. This SUV is super cool, you guys. Enjoy. Don't forget, my mic went off. Sorry.
All right, man, Juice. Y'all know my guy, Juice. Make sure y'all follow him. Where can I follow you?
Juice, man, 2816. Follow that bit right now, man.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now. So, we already went over your Benz GLE 450, same color.
Yeah.
So, why the X6? Why did you guys get this one too?
We want the new X6, the new Benz.
The new anything.
We want everything new and bring both of them bitches outrageous, both of them.
Yeah.
Can't compete. Want to compete? We got to compete right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And y'all making a really big statement in the streets right now with these
You gonna come clean? Come all the way, man.
Yep. Yeah, if you gonna spend the bread, you better
spend it all the way, man.
Spend it all the way.
Yeah.
Right. But so let's talk about the rims.
Yeah, got them.
All right, Juice. So we got 30-inch, okay, dub.
Bellagio, man.
Yes, super skating.
Yeah.
I love floaters. You know where I'm from. Where we from in Florida?
Gotta float.
You gotta float sometime. You feel me?
Yeah.
So why y'all float? Why you skating like this?
Man, we love that shit. That Florida shit. You know how that down south shit goes, man.
Exactly.
You gotta put a stamp on that shit.
Exactly. That gold plated, and I see you brought that that same color here, right here.
I was gonna do all gold right there too, but I want that color in there.
Yeah, for sure.
Bring out that color a little bit.
And it matches. It looks really, really good. I would have never thought to do this. So this is very different.
Nate the Great, man. Nate the Great 407, man.
Yeah, for sure. Shout out, y'all snapping out here.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Now let's take a ride for sure.
Let's do it.
I know y'all love music. Clearly, okay? So what you got going on back here? Jeez, you got a lot of music.
215s.
Yeah.
Extra speakers, tweeters, all that shit, man.
Yeah, everything up in here, and I see that whoever's doing y'all like music is doing a really, really good job. He's custom making y'all boxes and putting them amps in there real clean. So I really like that. Yeah, I like how this is.
We call it down here. That's them soldiers trying to get up out the trunk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, niggas trying to get up out that shit.
Yeah, they're trying to get up out of there. Yeah, for sure. I know this is loud because boy, X6, jeez, y'all snapping, and obviously you already know. Juice.
Yo,
Hot.
We back at it, man. We back at it, man.
Juice, it's hot out here.
Hot as fuck.
You ain't let us know nothing. We just pulled up. This is hot. Yeah. But listen, we are in the X6. I do like the, okay, so the originality of the X6 in here is really nice. The original X6 in general is a nice luxury vehicle. So the inside looks really good. You kept, I guess you guys decided to get this sports one with the leather, yeah, the red leather inside. Yeah. I like it because it looks so sporty. Yes, yes. Everything looks good. Obviously, you gotta have you a sunroof. Yeah. It's super hot out here, so we ain't gonna let that out. Super tinted in here, feels good. And we on 30s. 30. We on 30s. Big boy. For sure. So y'all had to cut and do a little something for this one. Yeah, okay, got you. For sure, for sure. It feels good right through Bavard on a hot day. You feel me? And listen, y'all got more than 2 foreigns. Y'all actually have more whips.
We got about 6 cars, man.
Y'all have 6 cars. Yeah, so y'all have like dunks and stuff too, right?
We got dunks, hoops, all that shit, man. Whatever you call it.
Yeah, y'all got everything. Yeah. Yeah, for sure, for sure. And y'all are like, so your Chevys and stuff, they're done, or you still working on them?
They're all done. Everything done.
Oh, they done?
Yeah, everything's done. We got Chevys, Monte Carlos, old school,
dunks. Now I got MCs?
Trucks, everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
I can't wait. You know,
we're gonna bring them bitches out.
You already know I'm gonna come back for them for sure. For sure, for sure. Y'all already know I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all all them Juice's cars and all his whips and all his people's whips and all their hits.
Yeah, man. Tell them poor ass niggas get the money up, man. That's how we do it down here in Florida, nigga.
For sure, for sure. Well, I appreciate it, ride. Super smooth on 30. Exactly, and I'm gonna be back, so y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna show y'all exactly how Brevard County coming. Don't play with them, okay? Oh my God, look how cute this is. This matches the X6 that we just reviewed. Oh my God, super cool remote control car. If you guys are super into toys and you want your toys customized, you definitely need to hit me up because this is super, super cool. Oh my God, look how cool this will be as a Christmas gift to your kids. Like, come on. You have to get one of these, especially if you're into the car game. So, woo, this is so cute. Oh my God. Yeah. Guys, if you have enjoyed my good friend Juice and all of the super whips he got, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And if you want to see any pictures, any videos of any car, hit, custom truck, Chevy, whatever it is in any nation, any land, make sure you visit aswiss.net. That's aswiss.net, don't you ever forget it. And until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I will check you guys out next time. Peace! Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will get your rims, give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace!